Hi everyone, welcome to Arpita Sharma classes. Let's get started with the new important topic, that is the Dam Safety Bill 2021. Dam Safety Bill 2021 was in the Hindu newspaper on 2nd December, page number 5. तो ये जो आर्टिकल था ना, ये पेज 5 पर आया था डैम सेफ्टी बिल का, और ये 2nd दिसंबर का आर्टिकल है which was published in the Hindu newspaper. So we are going to study this article in detail. Now, the problem was that there was a debate that was to take place in Rajya Sabha, but the AIADMK party MPs, they, put a stoppage to the debate. So we are going to understand what is this Dam Safety Bill 2021. This bill was approved by Lok Sabha. Okay, monsoon session में लोक सभा ने इस बिल को अप्रूव कर दिया था, but the opposition parties, they were opposing this bill. All right, they were saying that this bill should go to a select committee because of its wider implication. But the government was in no mood to look up to this demand of the opposition. So that is why the issue is going on in the Rajya Sabha. So let us understand what is this dam safety bill, kya hai ye dam safety bill, what are the provisions, what are the features of this bill, and what kind of authorities or bodies will be constituted in this dam safety bill. Alright, the PDF of this lecture will be uploaded on the Telegram channel Simplifying UPSC with Ease. The link is given below in the description box. Before we move ahead, here's a small announcement. All India free scholarship test by Unacademy, UPSC CSE Combat, is going to take place this Sunday on 5th of December at 11 a.m. in the morning. It will be a live test. 60 minutes time will be given to you to solve 56 questions. It will be made on the same lines as that of UPSC prelims examination. And the best part is it's a free scholarship test. You will stand a chance to win scholarship from a pool of rupees 4 crore. 100% scholarship will be given to students who achieve the rank of 1 to 3. Rank 4 to 10 will get 75% scholarship. Rank 11 to 50 will get 50% scholarship, and rank 51 to 500 will get 25% scholarship. And this test is available in Hindi language also, English language also. Live test hoga, live scholarship test hai. Link is given below. Make sure that you enroll today. Use the invite code ARPITA10 and enroll and give this test live at 11 a.m. Alright, on 5th December. Let's get started. So this was the article in the Hindu newspaper. Let us understand what is the Dam Safety Bill. Dam Safety Bill 2021 was moved in Rajya Sabha. As I told you, the debate could not happen because the opposition parties, they were criticizing this bill. They were posing disruptions to this bill. Now, what will be the function of National Dam Safety Authority which is constituted under this bill? तो इस बिल में क्या हो रहा है ना, दो national bodies को form किया गया है. National Committee on Dam Safety, this is the first body. Second body is National Dam Safety Authority. These are the two bodies which have been formed under this bill. National Committee on Dam Safety will evolve policies and recommend regulations related to dam safety. डैम के बांध के सुरक्षा से रिलेटेड जो भी रिकमेंडेशंस होंगे, रेगुलेशन से रिलेटेड जो भी रिकमेंडेशंस होंगे, पॉलिसीज होंगी, वो किसकी जिम्मेदारी होगी? नेशनल कमिटी ऑन डैम सेफ्टी की. And the National Dam Safety Authority will implement the policies that is formed by this committee. ये committee जो policies बनाएगी उसे implement करने का काम National Dam Safety Authority का होगा. It will also provide technical help to the state dam safety organization. So basically, National Dam Safety Authority will act as an executive, okay, of the National Committee on Dam Safety. Now, there will be two bodies which will be constituted on state level. These are the national level bodies. Two state level bodies will also be formed. So they are State Committee on Dam Safety and State Dam Safety Authority. Same function as that of the national bodies. Okay. Now India में अभी total 5200 large dams हैं. 450 dams अभी under construction है. ये आपको point याद रखना है. Let us understand the constitutional validity of this bill. Now when we talk about this bill, we talk about the state list. हम state list की बात करते हैं. State list में entry number 17 जो है, they say that the states are eligible to make laws on irrigation, water supply, canals, embankments, drainage, water power and water storage. And when we talk about the union list, यहाँ पर हमें power मिलता है entry number 56 से. Here parliament is allowed to make laws on regulation of river valleys and interstate rivers. And above all of that, there is article 252 which allows parliament to make laws in the state list. If 2 or more states pass resolution requiring a law, अगर 2 से ज्यादा states बोलते हैं कि भैया एक law की जरूरत है, resolution पास करते हैं, तो आर्टिकल 252 यूज करके पार्लियामेंट उस सब्जेक्ट में जो स्टेट लिस्ट में है उस पर रूल बनाता है, लॉ बनाता है. ओके. So right now, why dam safety bill is coming up? Because Andhra Pradesh and Bengal have passed the resolution asking for a law on dam safety. That is why Parliament used Article 252 to make a law or to make pass a law on the dam safety bill. Okay. So this bill will, what will it do? It will provide surveillance, inspection, operation and maintenance of dams. डैम्स को मेंटेन करने की जिम्मेदारी, ऑपरेशन, इंस्पेक्शन सब कुछ इस बिल के अंदर है. ठीक है, पॉइंट क्लियर हो गया. तो अब आपको पता चल गया कौन सा आर्टिकल यूज हुआ है. नाउ यू नो विच आर्टिकल हैज बीन यूज्ड एंड व्हाई दिस आर्टिकल 252 हैज बीन यूज्ड. नाउ दिस इज इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर प्रीलिम्स. ये आर्टिकल आपका प्रीलिम्स के लिए इंपॉर्टेंट है. ठीक है, ये आपको याद रखना है. नाउ व्हाई ऑपोजिशन पार्टीज आर प्रोटेस्टिंग इन Tamil Nadu? The opposition party says that the bill will affect Tamil Nadu's ownership over its dams located in the state. Right? तो basically ownership का issue है. And they say that National Dam Safety Authority will have the final word. This is a violation of federal principles. जो national level पर यहाँ पर Dam Safety Authority बनाई गई है, in the bill it says that this body will have the final word on executing the bill. So that means states का तो कोई role ही नहीं होगा. State role is limited. So that is the violation of federal principles. That is the point that the opposition parties are holding up and criticizing the bill. All right. So this is all about the Dam Safety Bill 2021. Right now Lok Sabha has passed it, but in Rajya Sabha they are not accepting it. The opposition parties are protesting against it. Okay. So this was about the Dam Safety Bill. I hope now you understood it in clarity. अच्छे से clarity में आपको समझ आ गया होगा, उम्मीद करती हूँ. On this note we are wrapping up the session. Thank you everyone for participating in the lecture.